50s. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bertie County in northeastern North Carolina until 5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m. severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Windsor, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Windsor around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Goose Pond, Wake Lawn, Askewville, White's Crossroads, Mary Hill, Eden House, Rosemead, Republican, Mount Gould, and Burden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now the official National Weather Service forecast.